Hello and welcome to this tutorial on setting the aperture. Aperture can be set by changing the f-stop numbers. You can see that the number f5.6 stands for the f-stop number. A lower f-stop number will focus tightly on particular objects, while larger will focus on the entire image. Now I am changing the light meter. You can see the -3 to +3 stands for the light meter, and ideally it should be at 0 to get properly exposed image. Now I have changed to a lower f-stop number, that is f5.6, and I am focusing the camera on two objects. One is on a deer and the cat is behind the deer, a bit further away from the camera. When I focus on the first one, that is the nearest one, the deer, and take the photo, you can see that the deer image has come very clearly and the farther object, cat, has come blurred. Now I'll focus the camera lens on the farther object, that is the cat, and you can see that the cat has become very clear, and while the closer object deer is blurred. Now I'll change the f-stop number to a larger value, that is 22. You can go up to 29 in this lens. It depends on lens to lens, changes from lens to lens, but I set it to 22 and I take the photo of those two objects again. We can see that both the objects have become very clear. So for a larger f-stop number, larger aperture number will be clear for all the entire object. Thank you.